Hi everyone, this is Ms. Trujillo with part 4 of our 7-video mini-series on the tutorial for Edmodo, particularly for the student version. This part deals with our backpack. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now, the next feature that I am going to talk about is the backpack feature. And that's another one that I absolutely love. And I think it'll be very beneficial, especially if you live in an area where the Wi-Fi doesn't give you a lot of trouble. Okay, now if you have issues with your internet or your Wi-Fi that it's not reliable, the backpack is, in my opinion, perhaps not an option that will be as feasible for you. And we'll talk about that in a second. Now, there's two ways you can get to the backpack. You can always go at the very top of Edmodo. So if you are in the planner section, it'll show backpack right here in the blue bar. And if you're not in the planner section, no matter where you are in Edmodo, you will always see the bar at the very top, and it'll also be there. So I can be in my home screen, and I can just go over backpack right here. Now, these folders will not be there for you. Okay, I have actually created these, and I'm going to show you how to do so. You are going to click on New, and you're going to click New Folder. So I want to title this Journalism. Maybe you have a class on journalism, and you're going to add folder. Perhaps you are going to have a new folder for your chorus class. And maybe chorus is your first period, however you want to do it. Maybe you have Miss Pettit and you have a business application class, or you have Miss Blanco or Dr. Tobias. You have your science teacher, whatever class it is, you can create folders for them. And this is a way for you to organize documents for each of your classes. So I'm going to click on US History. I am a US History teacher, so I probably have a lot of assignments there. Now, we have to go through a process of saving assignments here, and we'll get to that now, but it's very useful if you just want to go back and see what are some assignments or Google Slides or PowerPoints or reading pieces, right? PDFs. Maybe your teachers have shared a document with you and you just want to save it. The backpack is a great place to save it. Again, if you do not have a reliable internet, my suggestion is to save the document into your computer. You want to download the document and save to your computer. But if Wi-Fi and internet are not an issue in your home, this backpack is a way for you to carry all of your documents no matter what computer you are using, especially if in your house there are multiple computers and you may sometimes use your brother's or your sister's or your mom's computer. You don't have to go back and forth, email a certain document, an assignment, or put it in a flash drive. Having it in your backpack is basically carrying the assignments with you everywhere you go. Now, let's learn how to save documents into this backpack. So I'm going to go back to classes for a second. Okay, or yeah, we can go to classes. We can select an assignment. So I'm going to go back to planner here. And we can use this assignment right here, the Hanger Mobile Mini Project. If you're in my class, you know what this is about. So you're going to open the assignment, okay? And you'll see on the right-hand side here, this is the instructions. You'll see that there's one attachment. What you're going to do is select the drop-down menu and then click Add to Backpack. Okay, and you'll get this notification that the document was added to your backpack. Now, if you click on this, okay, the actual document will open up. You don't want to do that. What you want to do is make sure that you have the drop-down menu and select Add to Backpack. Once you have saved the document to your backpack, you can go up to the backpack icon, click on it, and if you scroll down, you will see the most recent document that you saved. Now you want to put this in some order, right? If you have created your folders. You don't have to do the folders. That's just me, how I think. And this is for my civics class. So I see that I don't have a civics folder here. So I'm going to go back up to new folder, and civics. Then you're going to select add folder. And it's already there. Now I want to move this document to my civics folder. You are going to hover over the document. Again, you don't want to select, you don't want to click it. You want to just hover over it so that it shows in gray. And then go to the drop-down menu. And you're going to see these options: edit, attach to note, move, copy, download, delete. Because I want to move this to my civics folder, I am going to select the option to move. When that happens, I will be shown the list of all the different folders I have created. And then I see civics right here. You're going to select it, and then you're going to click done. Okay, and it will say the item has been moved. If you scroll down, you no longer see the PDF, but if you click on civics, you will see that it is there. Okay, and you can go back to your backpack by clicking the folder at the top left-hand corner and navigate through your different classes. What are the different documents that you have saved? That was a whole lot of information, folks, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I hope you took some important information with you and how to help yourself or your children stay organized with the backpack feature of Edmodo. Make sure to watch the other videos on the 7-video mini-series to make sure that you become an Edmodo expert. Stay tuned. Take care.